Hey guys, have an urgent update with that I wanted to share with you. Thank you, Susan Singleton, for bringing this to my attention. Kojo mentioned in the video, and guys, I am re-recording this. Kojo has a video. You do not want to share his video because his video will give his referral ID number to your people if they don't have one. Okay. You want to make sure your people have your own referral ID number. This notice is stating that in order to remain eligible for commissions with the company, you have to be binded to your sponsor. And so anyone who is currently unbinded needs to get binded. I will show you how to determine if you are binded to your sponsor. This needs to take place by the end of this month. It is June 20 something right now. So by the end of June 2023. Secondly, everyone, in order to seize the opportunity to be in a position to continue to lend in the future and receive commissions, you must participate in the liquidity pool, okay? And you can do that by having 0.11 FTC and the equivalent, the matching BTC, or excuse me, USDT BEP20 in the liquidity pool. Our previous message from corporate said that we needed 0.1. This notice from one of the Asian leaders in their Telegram group that we do not have access to states 0.11. I don't know if that's a precautionary measure on their side, but I'm just sharing with you what the message stated. Okay, I'm going to show you quickly how to determine if you are currently binded to your leader. You go to your Fintoch app. You go to the middle part of the screen towards the right-hand side. It says go to invite. Middle part of the screen towards the right-hand side. There's 4 sections there with circles in front of them. You want to go to the one that says go to invite. You click on that. If you see your wallet ID and a QR code, that means you are already bound to the person who referred you. If you do not see this, there will be a screen that asks you to paste a refer ID. That is where you need to paste the ID of the person who referred you to Fintoch. If you do not do that by the end of this month, you will be ineligible for some of the incomes that they have available. Also, in order to make sure, even if you already put your funds in the liquidity pool, you want to make sure you have a receipt of it, take a screenshot. You're going to go down to this orange section that says add liquidity. The orange box on the right-hand side of the page, add liquidity. You click on that. At the top of the page, you're going to switch it from FTC exchange to add liquidity. And then at the bottom, you will see your receipts. There may be one, there may be more than one based on how many times you added liquidity. Make sure you go and verify those 2 things. Also, reach out to everyone that you personally referred to Fintoch and make sure they have this done, okay?